Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to work on my December daily every day. It's so fun. So today, well, I got this yesterday, so this is going to be for the 22nd, yesterday, right? And yesterday I received this cute, adorable little card. Isn't it cute? Look how pretty. A little Christmas tree opens like this, and I love it. It's the cutest thing. And so, whenever I get a card, that's what I put on my December daily. That is from my boss and his wife. They gave us employees a gift yesterday. It had that card and it had this gift bag. Let me show you. So I'm going to do something with the gift bag today and the card. And I picked out my numbers already. I'm prepared today. I think I am. Anyway, so let's go over to the 22nd. 22nd is going to be right here. So let me put this out of the way for a second because I want to show you what I'm doing with this gift bag. I'm going to cut it up. This is, a papery one. And this is what, I was working with that green and pink one. And, oh, this is glittery on one side. Let me see here. Glittery on this side. See how it's, the little, ornaments are colored and glittery. And then this side is a flat, or not flat, but you know what I mean, not glittery. So anyway, this is the kind of gift bag I like, instead of the glossy ones to craft with. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut here down the side and use part of this as my background for this page, since this is from my boss too, my boss and his wife. So I thought I'd just go for it for today and just show you how I cut apart the gift bag the other day. I just kind of cut this bottom part off, and then I have a flat piece of paper to work with. So let's do it. I could save that for something. I don't know. I might throw it away though. I'm all about decluttering my craft room right now, so I'm not keeping anything extra, But I mean, I do have my scrap box, but I think I've really done pretty good with using my scraps this year. So, I will keep up that and maybe try to catch up with it soon. Do some scrappy videos. But I'm pretty happy with the stage it's at. It's not like I have tons and tons of boxes and bags of scraps. So, okay, so here's my paper now. All right, I have this long strip to work with. Today I thought I would cut off one of the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here. Just using my scissors, as you can see. Oh, you know what? I could tear it. No, let me just. I think I want to tear it. Yeah, I really like the torn edge a lot of times more than the cut edge. So let's tear it. Yep, tore right off, didn't it? And I'm going to have to cut it. I might have to grab my paper cutter. If I need, I'm going to have to fit this to the size of the page, but we'll see. I might still be able to tear it. So these will be for later, another day or next year. So yeah, I want to use this piece on my book page here, on my page for today, which is right here. Okay, so the width is pretty good. Width is just about perfect. I think I have a straight edge here. This was the top of the bag. This one's got a little fold on it, so I need to tear that anyway. And kind of just make it a little shorter here. So let's tear that off. Oops, a little jagged there. Let's try that again. So I hope everyone's having a good day, or going to have a good day. Hope you're getting some time off for Christmas. If you work outside the home, or even if you work inside the home. Everybody needs a day off no matter where they work, right? I know I used to be a stay-at-home mom, so yeah, you work no matter where you are, right? as a mom. Okay, so let's see. I think that art glitter glue will be okay on here. It's just paper on paper. So let's go for it. Yeah, this should be pretty quick. I didn't know how long it would take to take apart that bag, but you saw just a minute or two there. A little bit of glue all over. And then I want to get the edges down real good. So let's go around the edges. Get all my edges. I like my edges to be nice and glued down. So I always got to go around the edges. And I'm not, see how this is jagged? I don't even care. I don't even care about that right now. It's kind of the beauty of a junk journal, to not be perfect, you know what I mean? Let's see, this was the flat edge from the top of the bag. So I think I'll put that at the top. So useful, right? Isn't that cool? I was like, what kind of paper am I going to put in the back of this card? And then I looked at the bag and was like, oh my goodness, that is perfect. See that? I have the envelope here, and I was going to use that, and that would look cute too, but this is even cuter. So that is what I'm doing. So let's see, this is a little slick on the back. I'm going to grab my, let me turn it upside down now so I can start getting, oops, I took the whole lid off there. Hold on. Let me get just the lid. Okay, we got it. I did that the other day on this bottle. That doesn't usually happen. That's not normal. I don't know why that keeps happening. I guess it's just tight. That little orange top gets real tight on there. Okay, let's get some glue on this piece. This is a Hallmark card. So cute. So yeah, alrighty. Lots of glue on there. I put it, see, I need room for my number. Let me measure my number real quick. See where I need to put, because I got a kind of a wonky number today. I'll show you in just a second. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll put it, well, I want it in the middle. I want it in the middle. I don't know where I'll put my number. I'll figure it out, but I want it in the middle. I'll figure out my number. Okay, let's open this up. Kind of go under here. Under here. Okay, we've got it all down, nice and tight. Now, let's figure out the number. I pulled out my numbers from the other room, like I've been talking about, that I've been using, and I was like, wow, there's not very many twos in here. And I was like, these are the first two twos I pulled out, and this one's chunky. Like, see how thick it is? It's kind of, I think it's plastic, but it's just kind of thick. And I thought, well, where else am I going to use this? It's the only one in that little pack of numbers I have. And I thought nobody else might not want this. So I thought, well, I might as well use it. And then I thought, well, you know, maybe I'd find another one this size. And I found this one. So I was like, well, I think that would actually be kind of cute. Oh, look, it fits right there. To just have an oddball kind of number like that. Two different sizes, two different colors, two different thicknesses, and kind of like just fun. Kind of a fun number, right? Different too. Unique. I like unique, you know? I really do. Don't we all? So this is kind of, these are kind of slick on, are they slick on the back? No, but they're thick numbers, so it's, you know, probably a good idea to use something like Fabri-Tac that kind of, whoops, back over there, that grabs onto things, you know, on something thick like that. Let's see if I can get it straightened out a little bit. There we go. And of course, this is plastic, so definitely going to need some Fabri-Tac on here. Yeah, I have this 2 in this little plastic number and a 0. So maybe on the 30th, I'll use the 0. So I can go ahead and use it up, because I don't know where else I would use it, right? Okay, so we got 21, 22, and there we go. I keep saying every day I'm going to do a tag tomorrow for baby Riley, and then I get a card. So, which I'm not disappointed in. I've got if you watched when I counted my page, you know how many pages I have way over 31. So I have plenty of pages to do my family member tags, even at the end of the month if I don't get them done before the 31st, if they're not incorporated into, you know, before the 31st. So I wanted to show you, see, I need to let this dry so it doesn't, yeah, it's getting dry already. So I wanted to show you, oh, this was the bottom of the bag. You know, inside the bottom of the bag, the little part that stabilizes. So I'll save that little piece of cardboard. I have a cardboard stash in the other room in a desk where I throw all my cardboard, so I can go grab from there for when I want to make a new spine or something. But here is where we are. Getting pretty chunky, pretty cool, right? That's how you, if you've never seen a junk journal develop before, it's really cool to watch the December dailies and watch how they chunk out. And then, you know, it's a good example too if you're a new junk journaler of, you know, what you can do. You don't have to get all fancy or anything. I mean, isn't that a cute page? And it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So this is what we have left. Let's see, we haven't started the third signature. See, here's the third signature. And this is the second signature. And so, let's see, just 1 second, let me count the pages I have left now. As I was saying that I have plenty of pages for my family members' tags that I want to make. So so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I don't put anything on the back of the signature. So 14. In front of the next signature, we won't count that. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29, a whole other month. Did I really count that right? I'm not going to count it again, but that's a lot of pages. Okay, so yeah, I'll do a flip through at the end of the month of the whole thing, but look how much color. I love all the color and everything in here. And I do want to use these pieces here that I have tucked into the pocket somewhere. So I need to start working on that. Maybe the next video we'll attack the pockets, like we'll attack this pocket and do something with these. And let me see, I think I saw one more, at least one more pocket with goodies. Oh, okay, here's something here. This is a book page. We can do something with that. Here's a few tags in here, or this is a postcard and a tag. So we can do something with those. And then I have these. So I have several things. You know, what about at least six things there to do something with too. So yes, I do want to use those up. And that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you next time in my next video. Have a great day. Happy crafting.